Hi everyone! Welcome to your first chess lesson. This is Woman International Master Marie Antoinette Santiago from Girl Chess Power and beyond. And let's learn to play chess with Coach Marie. Let's start with the chessboard. The chessboard has a total of 64 squares with alternating light and dark squares. What do you mean by alternating, Coach? Well, it just means that on the chessboard, we cannot see two same colored squares beside each other. It has to be an alternate. Has to be light, dark, or the other way around. Dark, light. Now, just like in maps, the chessboard also has its own directions. We have three possible directions. We have the files, seen here as the red arrow. We have the ranks, which is the yellow arrow. And then we have the diagonals, which is the green arrow. Files. This is the first one. The files here, seen as the red arrow, it is a straight line going up or down, and it's named after the letters. As you can see on our board right here, we have letters on the top or the bottom part. So that means that the letters there corresponds for each of the files. So we have A file, B file, C file, and so on and so forth until the H file. Next one we have are the ranks. The ranks here, seen as the yellow arrow, is a straight line going from left to right or right to left, and it is named after the numbers. If you look at the board, also, it has the numbers on the left part or the right part, from number 1 until number 8. That corresponds for the rank numbers. Lastly, we have the diagonals. The diagonals here is seen as the green arrow. It is a slanting lines on the chessboard. And we have two kinds of diagonals. We have the light square diagonal and a dark square diagonal. We also have different types. We have a long diagonal and a short diagonal. Well, here on the board, as the green arrow, we have a long dark square diagonal. Why is it important to learn about this? Okay, so remember, the chessboard is consist of 64 squares with alternating light and dark squares. It has files, ranks, and diagonals. Files are letters and the ranks are numbers. They are important because we are going to use these directions when we learn about how to move the pieces. And also, knowing the different directions and what they are called is important for us to know how to name the squares. Each square on the chessboard is actually special because they have their own name. But how do we name it? We have to mix the files and the ranks. I hope you still remember. The files are named after letters. And then the ranks are, of course, numbers. That's correct. Now, look at our example. So, our examples here are the ones that are on the black circles. Okay, first example is letter B on the B file, and we have rank number 2. That's why the square is called B2. Next example, we have C7. If we look at the file, we've got letter C, and that square is on rank 7. So we mix them together, file plus rank, and we have C7. Next one, we have E4. Again, look at the file. We have letter E, and then we have rank number 4. That's why we got E4. Last example, we have G8. Look at the file, letter G, and then we have the rank, which is number 8. Thus, we have G8. Now, your task is to help me identify the other name of the squares, the one with the red circles. You can now pause the video for you to figure those out. It would be better if you can write it down and remember the names of the squares. All right, so now we have the name of the squares. We've got A6, B8, D3, F7, and lastly, H1. Good job, everyone. Thank you for helping me out, and also thank you for remembering those directions. Now, we're moving on to the chess pieces. See you on the next video. Bye!